Namaskar everyone. Today we are presenting our project titled Burglar Alarm that use PIR sensor, LED and buzzer. Security is growing concern from homes, offices and lab. Many households, particularly middle class or rural areas, can't afford expensive security system like CCTV and smart locks. This motivates us to create a low cost and reliable burglar alarm. Whenever the PIR sensor detects any movement, the Arduino trigger the buzzer and LED. Let me show you demo.
Let me show you. This is the sensor, PIR sensor, LED, breadboard and buzzer and a Arduino Uno.
This burglar alarm system is low cost and easily built, energy efficient, requiring minimal power, highly practical, protecting households and small shops in India. By using simple electronics, students can learn about sensors, automation, and real world problem solving while contributing to community safety. In conclusion, our burglar alarm system is a effective, low cost solution to the growing security challenges in India. With projects like this, innovation meets practicality and students can create real solutions for real problems. Thank you.